Ezra trying to figure out the touch faucet. He's trying to put the soap underneath there, but the touch faucet won't stay on long enough for him to put the soap there. Oh, he did that time. You figured out the touch faucet? Okay. Okay. You gotta touch it to make it go off there. Touch it. Touch it. Hey! Touch faucet. Wait a minute now. Hold up. There we go. Touch. Touch. Touch it. Turn it on. I know that's not funny. Okay, watch. You gonna put the soap on there. It's gonna go. Okay, I know. Okay, don't be mean. I promise. There we go. We got it under there. Uh-oh. Ezra investigating the touch faucet. Good deal.